Uh, what's going on, YouTube? I'm kind of speechless right now because I can't even talk, but this is just crazy right now because I am celebrating 100 subscribers. Woo! It's just crazy right now. I can't believe this happened to me. Like, I wasn't really paying attention to subscribers, to be honest, because but my son was. He kept telling me, "Oh, you got this many subscribers. What you're doing is cool." And the reason that's the reason why I do YouTube, because it's just fun. It's fun doing these videos, and I've taken up a new passion, really editing videos and stuff, because that's kind of something I always wanted to do anyway. Because especially with YouTube, I wasn't really gonna do YouTube for like beard care. It's just something that just happened because I'm really passionate about beard care. But really, I wanted to do YouTube to do NBA highlights, you see them guys that do the NBA highlights. That's really what I was really doing YouTube, and I'll probably end up doing that anyway. But this is insane. To the people that are subscribed to me, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are awesome, and you're awesome, even more awesome for putting up with me and just dealing with my quirkiness. It's just, I can't believe this happened right now. Like, I mean, this is wonderful. This is a great milestone. YouTube is awesome. I love the platform. It's great. I mean, I watch YouTube more than anything. I'm either watching YouTube or I'm watching Netflix. So the platform is awesome. The people on YouTube are awesome. The people that are subscribed to me are awesome. I mean, I just am speechless right now. This is just so freaking awesome. And I got to do something epic for this giveaway, which I am doing one. I just don't know what I'm going to give away yet and when I'm going to give it away. But I just wanted to celebrate the 100 subscribers. Thank y'all for just putting up with me and just dealing with my weirdness. And I'm on cloud nine right now. This is crazy. I mean, I'm good. I'm happy right now. This is insane. But with that, this is like 3 videos in one day. That's like a record for me. I'm gonna sum up this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. It is your boy Sean P Reviews. Your boy Sean P. Thank y'all for just putting up with me. And I'm out.